Over 160 activists from various parties like BJP, JDS, BSR, Congress, Independents and others joined Congress party.
They were welcomed by Congress leader and Rajya Sabha MP Oscar Fernandez by handing over the flag to them at the party election office in Nantur here. Shashiraj Shetty, Mohan Padil, Bajilakeri Kamalaksha, Pushparaj, M. Kasim, Raju Pujari, Bhaskar Shetty, Shivraj, Vasudev, Ganesh Shetty, Ganesh Malli, Umesh Shetty, Pavan Kumar, Sadanand, Harish and Jairaj were among the 160 plus activists from other parties who joined the Congress. Addressing the media, former Union Minister Janardhan Pujari said, "The upcoming election is the big battle for us and BJP is our main opponent. From the past 20 years, BJP MLAs have won the elections, but during their administration, various immoral activities have taken place due to which people are suffering. People are waiting for a change and hence they have decided to support us," he said. During Congress Padayatra, when I contacted people, majority of them happily said they would support us this time as they have lost hopes in the BJP. Every single person's vote is precious for us, said Pujari. Commenting on the Congress manifesto, he said importance has been given to farmers, the poor, on empowering youth, women, labor class and others.
ಶಾಸಕರೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುರತ್ಕಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸುಮಾರು 10-15 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಶಾಸಕರೇ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರ ದುರಾಡಳಿತದಿಂದ ಅವರ ಅತ್ಯಾಚಾರದಿಂದ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ದುಷ್ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಜನ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಂತೆ ಜನ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕೆಂಬ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
Ibrahim Kodijal, J.R. Lobo, Suresh Ballal, Ashraf, Rohan Montero, Naveen D'Souza, B.A. Moyuddin were others present. Contrary to claims by state BJP leaders that Narendra Modi would conduct an extensive campaign tour ahead of the May 5 assembly elections in Karnataka, it appears that as of now the Gujarat Chief Minister would address only one public meeting. State Unit BJP President Prahalad Joshi said Modi would address a public rally in Bangalore on Sunday. There has also been a strong demand from sections of BJP candidates to get the Gujarat strongman to campaign in their segments. According to some party officials, Modi might be reluctant to conduct a full-fledged campaigning in Karnataka, where BJP is seen in a 5-year rule marked by scams, scandals and intra-party fights. Preventing what would have been years of tragedy for 31 minor girls and 11 women from Pavagad in Tumkur district, authorities have intercepted and successfully rescued them from being exploited, with some officials even fearing the existence of an intent to trade them off for commercial sex work in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. In what is being described as the biggest anti-trafficking operation by the state authorities, the Pavagad police, using the intelligence gathered by a Bangalore-based NGO Oasis, chased 2 vehicles including a KSRTC bus transporting the victims before finally intercepting them at the Pavagad border. The BJP is clean and some people have created nuisance in the party earlier and all of them have fled from the party, said State Muzrai Minister Kota Srinivas Pujari addressing a press conference at the district BJP office in Mangalore. Even though misunderstandings occur in the party, we have the strength to fight against all such things, he said. The BJP had planned all its projects keeping the poor in mind. At the level of villages and taluks, the best projects have been initiated, especially for the welfare of the poorer class of society, added Pujari. BJP district leaders Shrikar Prabhu, Rajgopal Rai and Nitin Kumar were also present.
Now once again the main headlines. Congress 2% gain and BJP 11% loss. Vote share lift Congress to diverse seat. Sonia Rahul coming good for us, CM Jagadish Shettar thinks development. Modi fears Karnataka scams would address only one rally. "160 activists from other parties join Congress party in Mangalore." "31 girls, 11 women recused from trafficking." "Miscreants fled from BJP, now we clean," KSP. This is all in this edition. For more news, keep watching V4 News 24/7 or may also log on to v4news.com.